Welcome to another series of our past questions. We have been given a question: if x over y equals 2 and y over z equals 3, we want to find the value of x plus y, y plus z. How do you go about this? Let's look at the solution. Given that x over y equals 2 and then y over z equals 3. Now x over y, which is the same as x over y equals 2 over 1. Now I have a common variable y here, y here. Now in the first instance, y is 1. In the second instance, y is 3. But y over z equals 3 over 1. This can be expressed as a ratio to give x is to y is to z. From here, the common variable y must have a common number in this ratio. How do we get a common number in this ratio? Now, x over y, which is equal to 2 over 1, is the same as 2 over 1 times 3, then times 3, giving us 6 over 3. So you are getting x over y equals 6 over 3. In the second instance, y over z, which is equal to 3 over 1, is the same as 3 multiplied by 1 over 1 multiplied by 1. That is giving us 3 over 1. Now, as you can see from our solution here, that we have y in the first instance to be 3, y in the second instance also to be 3. This can be written as x is to y is to z as 6 is to 3 is to 1. Now, let's substitute that into what we are finding. X plus y over y plus z. This is giving us, now from the ratio here, x maps to 6, y maps to 3, z maps to 1. So this x here is 6 plus y, which is 3, over y, which is 3, plus z, which is 1. Adding this one will give us 9 over 4, which can be simplified to give 2 whole number 1 over 4. Hope you enjoyed the solution. Goodbye. See you with another question.